as a new day dawns. A bevy of quail disappears into the thickening mist, and the distant horn at Merthyr Vale calls miners for the change of shift. A woodlark sings through the foggy blanket as children stumble half awake from their homes beside the river bank. It's the last day before the half-term break. At Anderson's sweet shop on the way, some stop for shrimps and a licorice lace. And on the school steps, as she does each day, and Jennings greets each happy face. When the school bell rings, they all gather inside to pray for blessings from a Lord divine. But for now they aren't singing all things bright. They are saving the hymn to sing at home time. Back in class with assembly over, Michael Davies starts to call the roll. It's the 21st of October. In a few hours' time, they are going home. High above the valley, on the number 7 tip, a crane is straining on the black hillside. Its caterpillar tracks struggle for grip. Then slurry, slag and shale soon start to slide. In the village they hear a thundering sound, and they fear for loved ones at the Merthyr mine. But like wildfire, the word spreads round. Pantglass School's been hit by a massive landslide. Pulses racing and panic-stricken, neighbours rush to the site as fast as they can. With garden tools, some start digging, others claw through the mud, using only bare hands. Soon local miners and pit rescue men search for their own children with tear-filled eyes, stopping for a moment every now and then, straining in hope to hear a child's faint cry. As the work continues under gloomy skies, hopes rise when they find 5 young children, all kept alive by the selfless sacrifice of the school dinner lady, brave Nancy Williams. But after just 2 hours, it's clear to see there are no more survivors amid the ruin. And they find another teacher, young Madge Rees, whose caring classroom has become a tomb. With each grey day, the death toll climbs as they comb through schoolrooms one by one. And they find that 5 more children died, sheltered by their teacher, Di Benyon. In a chapel that is now a makeshift morgue, a policeman performs a sacred rite. As he minds his charges until the dawn, when his grim vigil's over for one more night. After 6 long days, the last bodies reclaimed. 28 men and women have been killed in all, and 116 children are named on the death certs posted on the chip shop wall. At the inquest, a father seeks official censure, appealing to the coroner to formally record that his child did not die through misadventure, but was buried alive by the National Coal Board. Today a woodlark glides through the gathering darkness, past houses built where Merthyr Vale mine stood, to the village with graves marked by granite arches, a hillside monument to a stolen childhood. And the rain still falls on that green hollow, but no deluge could ever wash away all the anguish, anger, and heartfelt sorrow that has haunted Aberfan since that awful day. The rich man in his castle, the poor man at the gate, he made them high or lowly, and ordered their estate. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful,